Salesforce took advantage of its Trailblazer DX Developer Conference in San Francisco on the 6th and the 7th of March to announce its generative AI. Einstein GPT is, as its name suggests, a combination of the editor's proprietary Einstein technology and ChatGPT-type models. The Californian company will enter into partnerships with various suppliers, starting with the best-known, OpenAI, the originator of ChatGPT, DALL-E, and Whisper. Salesforce has integrated Einstein GPT into its business applications for sales, service, marketing, sales, and IT. The solution is already interfaced with MuleSoft, Tableau, and Slack. For example, a sales team will use it to identify new prospects and relevant people to contact, whether or not they are already in the company's CRM. The AI will then suggest to the sales team that they start a conversation with their target by email, based on previous exchanges, among other things. Employees can directly edit these pre-written texts, but can also ask the AI to rewrite its messages in a lighter tone. For example, unlike consumer AI such as ChatGPT, interactions between humans and Salesforce's generative AI are integrated directly into the user interface of business applications.